ballin' like rage. Fucking your bitch every day. Keep it packed, never hop in the jet. Cashing out, fell in love with the bank. She looking at me and she like me. Now her nigga wanna fight me. Can't do it, can't fuck on my white tee. I'ma do him like Nike.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm gonna be taking my box spray out after 45 days. Not only am I taking it out, but I'm also getting straight backs. However, not only have I been treating my scalp with castor oil and giving it constant massages, but I've also been maintaining my tapered hairline. Not only has my new growth gotten longer, but my tapered hairline is long enough to braid, my nigga. And this is the final result. As you can see, my new growth has grown tremendously and my length has gotten tremendously longer. Plus, I have way more thickness in my hair. This is due to not only cutting my split ends, but also deep massaging with black castor oil. Now I'm about to go get my hair done and my tapered hairline done. So stay tuned. Yay!